Hello people. So I was speaking about this particular lipstick that I got yesterday from Health and Glow, Maritpalli. I did a short video there. I should upload that, but I didn't upload it because I felt I don't know. Yeah, I was maybe sometimes when I visit a place when I'm all tired, I'm like thing. But I think I should upload it. And I discovered a certain ice cream spot there, so I'm thinking I should go with my child probably. But yeah, so this particular lipstick by Lakme is called Pink Date. CP4 is the number. So Pink Date, I have worn it and it's a bit bright, I would say this. But yeah, CP4. And I think if you are a fair complexion person, it will really go well. And this is how, of course, like all lipsticks, this little guy is sleeping here. So like all lipsticks, this is how the lipstick looks. I really don't have to show you all how a lipstick looks, but it's nice to know that there's so much of the lipstick, you know. Normally this was worth 270 bucks, but it's been my observation, I think these Health and Glow people, they're more expensive, yeah, than regular thing. But and the only time I have really ever faced snobbery as such in my life is when I go to these beauty stores. So so anyway, so yeah, so this is called Pink Date and you all can try it out, and it is this color. And I'll catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.